Hello students. Today I am going to take up lesson 18 of English language, adverbs. Children, do you know what are adverbs? Just see this word, add plus verbs. So the words which add something to the meaning of the verbs, or you can say modify the verbs, are called adverbs. Let us take some examples to understand this better. The dancer moves gracefully. Here, verb is moves. So, we will ask a question to the verb by adding how. The dancer moves gracefully. Moves is the verb. The dancer moves how? Gracefully. So, this gracefully modifies or adds something to this verb moves. Hence, it is an adverb. Now, we will take another example. I have searched for my book everywhere. Here, searched is the verb. We will ask a question from the verb by putting where. I searched. Where? Everywhere. So, this everywhere is the word which is adding something to the meaning of the verb, or we can say it is modifying the verb. So, it is an adverb. Kinds of adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs, out of which only 4 are in your syllabus. Those are adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency. First, we will take adverbs of manner. The adverbs of manner tell us how an action is done. They satisfy the question how. As the star shone brightly. Shone is the verb. So we will ask a question from the verb by putting how. The star shone. How? Brightly. Brightly is the word which we are getting in the answer. So, brightly is the adverb of manner. Adverb of place. The adverbs of place tell us where an action is done. They satisfy the question where. As I left my bag there. Left is the verb here in this sentence. We'll ask a question by putting where from the verb. I left. Where? There. So, there is the adverb of place. Adverb of time. The adverbs of time tell us when an action is done. They satisfy the question when. As Jayanti came to visit us yesterday. Came is the verb in the sentence. So we will ask a question to the verb putting when. Jayanti came. When? Yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb of time. The fourth is adverbs of frequency, or you can say number. The adverbs of number tell us how often an action is done. They satisfy the question how often, as he sometimes does his work carelessly. Here verb is does. We will ask the question to the verb putting how often. We will get sometimes in the answer. So sometimes is an adverb of frequency or number. Degrees of comparison of adverbs. Like adjectives, adverbs also can be used for comparison. Adverbs also have 3 degrees of comparisons. That is positive, comparative, superlative degrees. For examples, Rohit runs fast. Positive degree. Shweta runs faster than Rohit. Comparative degree. Justin runs the fastest of them all. Superlative degree. Another example, Manu read the chapter carefully. Joseph read the chapter more carefully. Tara read the chapter most carefully of them all. So the first one positive, the second one comparative, and the third one is superlative degree. Some words can be used as both as adjectives as well as adverbs. If the word qualify a noun or a pronoun, then it is an adjective. If it modifies a verb, then it will be an adverb. For example, this is a hard shell. Here, shell is a noun and the word hard is qualifying the noun shell. So, it is an adjective. We will take another example. He worked hard before the exam. Here, worked is a verb and the word hard is modifying this verb. How did he work? He worked hard. So here hard is an adverb. Children, I hope you have understood this topic well.